Some more cowbell with some tractors, man. Ignominious? Ignominious! Ignominious! Tractor Smasher. Tractor Smasher. Official lyric video. Norwalk, Ohio. Death Metal. October 16th is when this bad boy dropped. Thank y'all for the request video. Thank y'all for coming back and watching my shiz as always. Y'all know I appreciate that. As always, I seriously do. Hell yeah. 3 minutes and 29 seconds. Are y'all ready? Ignominious. Ignominious! Ignominious. Okay, that rolls off the tongue. Tractor Smasher official lyric video. Shut Up Yates 2023 Slam-tastic. Gotta get my headphones down real quick, fellas. Gotta make it fit on my head, fellas. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, and it's Slam. It's Slam worldwide. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be fun, man. Bro, we got the bows going already. Visual sick already. We gonna plow some shit. Bro, that kick on the drum is so nice. Bro, the simplicity, catchiness, hell yeah. Some more cowbell with some tractors, man. Oh, that is the I love that. This is sick, man. I love this. Parody heavy. I'm gonna go back. The slowness of this, it's so catchy. It's out there, and it's like, I want to listen to more. You know what I'm saying? Vocals are good. They're simple. They're heavy. Production's very, very nice. I don't know what you guys are doing in Ohio, but I freaking love it, man. More cowbell. It's satisfying. Hey, dude, this is fun. Dude, that was perfect. I absolutely love that. Ignominious Tractor Smasher of my body and soul in the best way possible. Fierce lyric video. My man, thank you so much for the request video. I appreciate it very much. Your band is sick. Y'all are awesome. I can't wait for more. hit me up anytime. Thank y'all for coming back and watching my shiz as always. And I hope you guys enjoy the reactions as much as I did. Please hit these dudes up, these Ohio boys up. I'll be putting links down in the description as always. Come subscribe down below.